Welcome to the Unified Classroom. Your child's school has upgraded to an exciting new online parent experience. This tutorial will teach you how to create a new Unified Classroom Global PowerSchool ID so you can log in and view your child's academic information. You will need to create and use this new PowerSchool ID even if you previously used a Parent Portal account. You can complete this process from a computer, tablet, or mobile device. Okay, let's create your brand new PowerSchool ID. You will need the following information, which should be supplied by your student's school to complete this process: the web address of your school's PowerSchool server, and an access ID and access password for each of your students. Begin by connecting to your school's PowerSchool server. Next, click the Parent Sign In button. This is the new Unified Classroom login page. We don't have our PowerSchool ID yet, so click on the last button labeled Create an Account here. You may need to scroll down the page to see it. You are now ready to create your brand new PowerSchool ID. Enter your first and last name. Your email address will be your PowerSchool ID, so enter your email address next. Now, enter a new secure password. Finally, click the button labeled Create PowerSchool ID. If your password was not secure enough, you'll be prompted to enter a more secure password. Congratulations! Your new PowerSchool ID is ready, and you can now sign in to the Unified Classroom. The first time you sign in to the Unified Classroom, the system will recognize that your account is not currently connected to your student or students. From here, this tutorial is broken into two parts. Part 1 will explain how to link your students for the very first time. This is for parents and guardians who have never signed in to their school's PowerSchool server before. Part 2 will explain the one-time process of using your old PowerSchool Parent Portal account to link your students to your PowerSchool ID. If you're not ready to move forward with either option at this time, you can sign out and return later. Okay, let's link your students to your new PowerSchool ID. As a reminder, you will need an access ID and access password for each of your children, which should be supplied by your child's school to complete this process. Begin by clicking on the I have a student access code button. Fill in the provided student access code. This may also be called an access ID. Then, fill in the student access password. This may also be called an access password. If you're only linking one student, click Continue. If you have another student to link, click the Add Another Student button. If you are linking more than one student to your account, complete the same information for each of your additional children. When done, click Continue, and you will be taken to your Unified Classroom dashboard. Since you have an existing Parent Portal account, you simply need to link your new PowerSchool ID to your old account. Begin by clicking on the I have a username and password button. Next, enter your old Parent Portal credentials and click the Sign In button to link your accounts. You'll be taken to your Unified Classroom dashboard. Congratulations! No matter which path you took, you have completed all of the steps necessary to set up your new Unified Classroom account. Once again, welcome to the Unified Classroom experience.